If you're experiencing login issues on Cryptostorm, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, temporarily disable it. Some services may interfere with the login process, so try accessing Cryptostorm without them. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Cryptostorm's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Cryptostorm. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.